Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just another article that I found here looked kind of interesting. People are always looking for $5 or $10 stocks with an upside, and this come up on my phone. Goldman Sachs has 5 stocks trading under $10 with 100% or more upside potential, and come out a couple days ago, but still could be irrelevant. While most of Wall Street focuses on large cap and mega cap stocks as they provide a degree of safety and liquidity, many investors are limited in the number of shares they can buy with the biggest public companies. I've talked about Google and Amazon today, $2,000 and $3,000 price tags, and a lot of people can't afford that unless you're buying slices or partial shares on Robinhood or Charles Schwab, but $10 stocks are always nice to find, and ones that could run up. So many investors, especially more aggressive traders, look at lower price stocks as a way to make some good money, but get a higher share count. That can really help the decision-making process, especially when you are onto a winner, as you can always sell half and keep half. So, I've done that before. Built up my shares on Under Armour back when it was $8 and $9. That was back in the fall of 2020. Run it up to 100 shares and eventually sold out of it. But I've done that with some solar stocks as well. So Goldman Sachs is the premier investment bank in the world. So we screened its outside research database and found 5 stocks trading for under $10. First one is ADT. I'm sure most of you have heard of ADT. Top security company, is a well-known protector of homes and businesses. ADT is the largest residential and second largest commercial security monitoring company in North America. Company serves 7 million customers. Roughly 94% of its revenue is generated in the United States, with the remainder from Canada. Google announced last year that it is buying a 6% stake in the home security firm for $450 million, in a deal that will allow and provide service to customers of its Nest home security devices. So, very interesting. Goldman Sachs price target on ADT is 13, which compares with a $9.85 consensus target. Shares closed trading on Friday at $7.59. Next is CommScope. It's a technology play, upside for aggressive investors. Ticker COMM. Provides infrastructure solutions for communication networks worldwide. The CommScope Connectivity Solutions segment offers optical fiber and twisted pair structured cable solutions, intelligent infrastructure software, and network rack and cabinet enclosures under the Systematics, NetConnect, and Uniprise brands. Goldman Sachs has a huge $21 price target, well above the $12.77 consensus target for CommScope stock. Shares last traded at $8.38 on Friday, was down over 7%. Next is Compass, ticker COMP. The stock is beating over the past year and looks poised to rebound. It has taken a beating. Provides real estate brokerage services in the United States. The company specializes in high-margin luxury homes in upscale markets, including New York, Philadelphia, Boston, and San Francisco. The 24 Goldman Sachs price target compares with a $14.43 consensus target. Compass stock was last seen at $6.98 on Friday. Next is Inferna. That's how I'm going to say it. I don't know if it's right or not. Networking giant as a takeover candidate, ticker INFN. Provides intelligent transport network enabling carriers, cloud operators, governments, and enterprises to scale network bandwidth. So that would be probably my pick so far, since it's in computers and that we can all look to using in the future. Inferno stock price at Goldman Sachs is 13. Consensus target is $10.10. Shares were last trading at $8.44. Next is Cosmos Energy. I've heard of them before. A solid energy exploration and production play with oil and gas prices rising. Could be outstanding idea. Cosmos Energy, ticker KOS, is a deepwater independent oil and gas exploration and production company focused along the Atlantic margins. So definitely could be one to consider here at oil and gas and see how it does. Goldman Sachs has a 750 target. The consensus target of 379 is also below a closing share price on Friday of 563. So that might be, I don't know, the most volatile one, but you can list in the comments which is your favorite out of the five. Cosmos Energy, ticker KOS. Inferna, ticker INFN. Comp, COMP, Compass. Com or Comscope. ADT, ticker ADT. So list your favorite, and I would probably go with ADT. I don't own any of the five, but if you do, go ahead and list that in the comments as well. If you have any other favorite $10 stocks that you feel have 100% upside or more with potential, you can list that in the comments as well. So, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.